Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth earphone setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you connect your earphones to your Tecno phone guys. You want to connect guys your earphones so guys you can connect guys. You have guys like that this neck band and guys you want to connect with your Tecno phone device so guys you can connect and guys now let's see how to connect it. So in this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys what will you have to do guys, you will have to click on guys your phone settings. So I will on it. So you can see this type of setting. So friends, you will have to scroll it and guys click on guys your more connection settings. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth settings. So guys I will tap here. Then guys I will on first of all my earphones. So guys I will on it. This button guys I will on it. And get this button guys volume button guys, and you can charge. You want to charge so guys you can charge from here. So guys I will on now my Bluetooth with refresh. So as you can see guys your earphone name. So I have got this Ubone neckband earphones. So I will tap here to connect. Then guys you can see this notification. So guys tap this right side. Then guys you can see it will connect active. Then guys you can use your earphone with your Technophone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone with Technophone in our Technophone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.